Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV27. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The problem we are addressing today is a broken trigger on your Dyson SV27. This can happen due to wear and tear over time or if the trigger mechanism gets jammed. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage or make your vacuum cleaner entirely unusable. To repair the trigger, you will need a few tools. Gather a screwdriver set, a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement trigger. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson SV27 is unplugged from any power source to avoid accidents. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws on the back of the handle. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to reveal the internal components. The trigger mechanism is typically located at the front of the handle, near where the trigger is situated. If you look closely, you will see the broken part that needs replacing. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. After removing the broken trigger, take the new one and position it in place. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns correctly. Now, you will need to reassemble the handle. Before securing it with screws, double-check that all internal components are correctly positioned. Start by reconnecting any cables if necessary, making sure not to apply too much force as this can lead to further damage. Once everything is in place, reinsert the screws and tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could crack the plastic. Now, before we wrap up, it's important to test the trigger. Plug in your Dyson SV27 and test the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lastly, to prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly inspect your Dyson for any signs of wear, and ensure that debris is cleared from the trigger area. This will help maintain its functionality and extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.